So now let's go to the editor. To edit your pages, just click on the edit page button here. So this is your builder. This is fully drag and drop and customizable. First of all, you have to understand how this builder works. So these are the sections. Basically these are sections, and inside each section there are elements. So these are outer layer is the sections, inner layer is the elements. So everything within a section is an element. Every section has its own menu, like it is a settings menu. Then you can duplicate each section. Like I click here, I'll create an exact copy of this section, and I'll delete this one, and then you can delete a section, and then you can add new sections as well. They will be added just below it. Similarly, elements have their own menu as well. Here you can duplicate an element, and you can delete an element and add new elements. So let's duplicate this element. As you can see, the element has been duplicated. So now that you understand how the elements and sections work, let's try to modify this text. So all you have to do is just start typing here. As you can see, the text has been modified as I was typing. So if I want to change the font color of this, all I have to do is to select this one, and here I have a menu which allows me to freely customize my text. So I can bold it, I can make it italic, I can change the color to, let's say, blue, and you can see all the customizations are happening in the real time. Now let's say I want to add a new element to this section. So adding element, there are a lot of ways to do that, but what you have to do is you have to click this plus button here. Now as soon as you click on this plus button, let's suppose I want to change this headline, and I want to add my own headline. So what I will do is I click this plus button. Now I go to text blocks. Now there are different headlines available for me. I'll choose this one. So the new headline has been added here. I no longer need this one, so I'll just delete it. So there are a lot of other elements available for you to add. For example, countdown counter, bonus boxes, comparison boxes, opt-in forms, buttons, order boxes, testimonials, pricing tables. So there are a lot of different elements available for you. Let's say I want to change this logo. So all I have to do is to double click on this logo, and I can paste my new logo URL here. And the logo has been changed. Now let's say below this I want to add a new opt-in form. So all I have to do is to click the plus button. Now let's go to the opt-in forms. We have a lot of opt-in forms available here. So I will choose one that looks good on this template. Let's choose this one. Yeah, as you can see, this opt-in form has been created. Now just below this I want a countdown counter. So I will click the plus button again, and then go to the countdown counter. As you can see, I have a lot of countdown counters available. Let's choose this one. So a countdown counter has been created as well. So we are building our page one step at a time. Now if I want to change the background of this section, I will click this settings menu, and I can choose the background color or background image. So let's give it a background color first. As you can see, the background color has been changed, and if I want to change the background image, Then I'll go back to the settings and copy and paste my background image URL. So as you can see, the background has been fully changed. Now let's see how we can add a new video. So we already have a video here. What I will do is I'll delete this video, and now all I have to do is copy the YouTube video URL and paste it here, and boom, the video has been added. Just copy and paste. Just copy and paste your URL. No need to upload, no need to drag and drop, just copy and paste. So the video has been added. Now what I'm gonna do is create some testimonials. So I'll add a new section. Okay, the new section has been added. Now I'll click this plus button and I will go to the testimonials. So as you can see, there are a lot of testimonials available here. You can choose from any one of them. Let's choose this one. So this testimonial has been added here. Now what I will do is I will add a order form just below here. So I'll go to the order boxes and I'll choose this one. So you see this order box has been created here. Now let's say we want to drag this section up a little bit. So what I will do is I will enable the drag and drop mode, and now I will just drag it and it has been moved above and the button is moved below. So now let's try to add some images. So as you can see, there is already a blank image here. So first of all, I will go back to my editing mode and now I will double click this image. Here you can either copy and paste your image URL or you can browse. So there are no images. So let's add some images. So to add images to your media gallery, go to the media and click images and then click upload file. I'll choose this file, then click upload. So the media has been uploaded. Now this image goes directly to your Amazon S3 account. So you don't have to plug in your own account. We give you the Amazon S3 account that is connected to your account. So you can also see, these are the images that are their URL, and you can also copy and paste the HTML code for the images. So now let's go back to our editor. Now if I click the browse button, you will see this image is available here. So I'll include that image. As you can see, the image has been added to this page. So we are building a nice page here from top to bottom. Basically it is a opt-in page. So let's change the text of this button. And then let's link it to the next step in the funnel. So I'll select the next step in the funnel. Although there are other options like link to other pages, link to an OTO, attach a payment package, or attach a pop-up, or you can even attach an autoresponder with that. So we'll just link it to the next step in the funnel. Just click on the save button and then you can also preview your page. So this is the preview of your funnel so far. As you can see, this is the page that has been built in the real time. So let's close this editor. Here you see all the other pages. You can also edit your upsell page, thank you page, and you can also attach a pop-up with your opt-in pages.